PRECISE-Geo to Auto Steering System Calibration Guidance. First, account registration. Turn on the circuit breaker and press the raw car switch. Supply power to the device after the monitor is started. On the pop-top interface of the user agreement, click I agree. Second, initialization of the vehicle body heading. After the system has been completely launched, please drive forward so that the heading is fixed. Then drive the vehicle forward for 1 meter at a speed greater than 2 km per hour. Then complete the course initialization. Third, vehicle registration. Click on Setting, System Calibration. Firstly, carry out system activation. The information to be entered includes the manufacturer and model of the vehicle, vehicle owner's name, vehicle owner's telephone number. For conventional equipment, the front wheel of steering is set as the default. Click OK. Vehicle information entry. Vehicle size information needs to be filled in, and the relative position parameters between the controller and the vehicle. Before measuring the dimensional parameters, it is necessary to ensure that the front wheels are straightened. Use a tape measure for the measurement. The unit is meter. Fill in the measured parameters one by one. Antenna height. Measure the height of the roof controller vertically from the ground and make good marks. Distance between the antenna and the central axis. Take the forward direction of the vehicle's head as the standard measure. The distance of the receiver relative to the central axis of the vehicle. When the receiver is installed on the central axis, the parameter is 0. The position of the antenna on the central axis is defaulted to left. The distance between the antenna and the rear wheel axle. Measure the center of the controller. Measure the horizontal distance from the center of the controller to the center of the rear wheel axle. If the antenna is in front of the rear wheel axle, select front. If the antenna is behind the rear wheel axle, select rear front wheel track. Take the midline of the wheel as the starting position. Measure the horizontal distance between the two front wheels of the vehicle. Measure the center of the rotation shift of the front wheel of the vehicle to the horizontal distance of the center of the rear wheel's rotation shaft. The height of the rear axle. Measure the height of the center of the rear axle perpendicular to the ground. Click OK. Successfully apply the vehicle transmission ratio calibration. When calibrating the transmission ratio, it needs to be carried out on an open, flat and hard ground that is 10 meters wide and 30 meters long. Ensure that there are no obstacles affecting the calibration drive at a uniform speed of 2 km per hour. Click to start the calibration. The interface pops up with the message, "Please wait." During this process, both hands are not allowed to touch the steering wheel. The system enters the calibration state. The steering wheel automatically controls the vehicle to turn left and right. The software displays, "The transmission ratio has been successfully issued." It indicates that the calibration of the transmission ratio is completed. Attitude calibration. It needs to be carried out on an open, flat and hard ground that is 10 meters wide and 30 meters long. Ensure that there are no obstacles affecting the attitude calibration. After the vehicle is parked properly, click Start. Then enter the calibration interface. Click Start. At this time, the system will determine the alignment line according to the orientation of the front of the vehicle and enter the autonomous driving site. Drive at a uniform speed of 2 km per hour. Wait until the distance is displayed at the bottom of the screen. Stop when the distance is greater than 30 meters. Click the next button. At this time, manual driving is required. Drive forward for about 10 meters and then make a U-turn. After making a U-turn, drive the vehicle back onto the original route. Click the next button. The vehicle will automatically enter the lane. Conduct autonomous driving along the original route. The vehicle moves forward at a speed of 2 km per hour. Stop the vehicle when the distance from the starting point, displayed at the bottom of the screen, is less than 1 meter. Click the Finish button. Wait for the system to automatically complete the calculation.